Are you annoyed with the Microsoft Foundation class Managed 120 Unicode Library DLL failure blocking your code instructions? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's restore that vital system connection right now. Before we start the Microsoft Foundation class Managed 120 Unicode Library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Microsoft Foundation class Managed 120 Unicode Library, the Managed MFC module for the 2013 redistributable. A missing version of this file is a leading cause of crash to desktop, CTD, for productivity software released between 2013 and 2015. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The professional protocol for this error is a fresh installation of Microsoft Visual C++. Navigate to the Microsoft site to download the Visual C++ redistributable packages for x86 and x64, then complete both installations. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Microsoft Foundation class Managed 120 Unicode Library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Microsoft Foundation class Managed 120 Unicode Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Microsoft Foundation class Managed 120 Unicode Library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Microsoft Foundation class Managed 120 Unicode Library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.